This banana cream overnight oats packs 59 grams of protein, is super creamy, and takes less than 10 minutes to prepare. Start with a bowl to mix all of your ingredients in. Peel and add 1 large banana. The riper, the better, as it'll help with the sweetness and the texture. Use a fork or a potato masher to mash your banana until it becomes a puree. Add 3/4 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. Add 1/4 cup of vanilla protein powder. If your protein powder isn't that sweet and you want your overnight oats a bit sweeter, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener. Add 1/2 cup of milk. I'm using unsweetened vanilla almond milk here. Add 3/4 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You can use flax seeds if you prefer. And finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until everything is fully incorporated. Grab a 16-ounce mason jar or a smaller bowl which you plan to eat your overnight oats from. Transfer the overnight oats into the mason jar or bowl. Place the lid or plastic wrap over it, then let it chill in the fridge overnight. If you want to eat it sooner, the minimum amount of hours you should wait is about 4 hours for it to get nice and creamy. Once you're ready to enjoy your overnight oats, remove it from the fridge. Then you can add some additional toppings on it. For mine, I'm going with some whipped cream, banana slices, and a bit of flaxseed on top. Then you're good to dig in and enjoy this unbelievably creamy banana cream overnight oats. These are also meal prep friendly and last for up to 4 days in the fridge. You can make 4 of them at once, so you've got a delicious high protein breakfast ready to go. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein breakfast recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.